All right, let's get to a mad dash, of course. We've got 5 minutes before we get started with trading. Lennar, I think, gets a downgrade that caught your eye.
Yeah, I'll tell you why. Because remember I was talking about how there's just people didn't like a Micron, and they didn't like FedEx last week. They didn't like Micron. They like Micron. Now, David, here's a downgrade about Lennar. Lennar bucked the trend as rates went up. Very rarely have you ever seen home builder stocks go up. Now rates are allegedly coming down, right? And you usually are supposed to buy these stocks. Everyone downgraded Lennar after that quarter. So I think you would say, well, where were you guys at 180? But now at 115, they're all against it. I'm beginning to think you have to take the other side of the trade. I know that the costs are going up because of tariffs. I know that rates are not coming down the way they wanted. However, when you look at valuation, they're suddenly becoming worth a lot more than I thought. And so I don't want to throw away Lennar.
So you're not necessarily a believer it's time to be downgrading these names?
No, I don't. I think
even though, I mean, we remarked on this many times during what was an incredible upswing for the home builders during a period of rising rates. It was because of a lack of lack of supply,
well, because
right?
No one ever wants to say it's secular. But when I spent the day at Home Depot, David, it's secular. There's not enough homes. They can't build 4 million homes. There's not a lot. We don't have a lot of turnover. Everyone's just hoping that maybe there'll be more homes made. Lennar has the ability to actually make a lot more homes.
Okay.
So if we want to fixate just on gross margin, maybe we're missing a larger picture, which is that we don't have enough homes and they're a beneficiary. That's all I'm saying.